Good day, I am Michael Angelo Santoyas. Today I will discuss about the hydrostatic table for ship and I will explain the meaning of the main terms and show one example trim calculation. Definition: a hydrostatic table is a reference chart that shows the ship's stability and floating characteristic at different drop and displacements. It helps in understanding how the ship behaves in water. Purpose: to determine how much weight the ship can safely carry. To check the ship's drop at different loads. To assess stability and buoyancy. Key parameters in the table. Typical hydrostatic tables include drop, depth of the ship in water, displacement, total weight of the ship including cargo, fuel, and crew, trim, difference in drop between forward and aft ends. How it used. Before loading, officer check the table to ensure the ship is balanced and stable. Engineer use it to calculate how fuel consumption or cargo ship affects stability. Helps in planning safe voyage under different sea conditions. Example scenario: if the ship's hydrostatic table show a drop of 5 meter at 10,000 tons displacement, adding cargo will increase the drop. Officer use the table to ensure it doesn't exceed safe limit. Importance: ensure safety by preventing capsizing or overloading. Assist in efficient cargo planning. Essential for regulatory compliance with maritime authorities. Connection to stability. Hydrostatic data is directly used to calculate metacentric height, which measures ship stability. Higher GM is equals more stable, lower GM is equals less stable. Conclusion: the hydrostatic table is a practical tool for ship officer to monitor and maintain a vessel's safe loading and stability. It's like the ship balance sheet in water. The definition of displacement: the weight of the water displaced by the ship equal to the total weight of the ship plus cargo plus fuel plus storage plus crew. In hydrostatic tables, displacement change with drop. Next, the definition of TPC, tons per centimeter. Weight needed to change the ship drop by 1 centimeter. High TPC is equals vessel needs more weight to sink deeper. Next, the definition of MTC, moment to change trim 1 centimeter. The moment required to change the trim by 1 centimeter. Trim is equals difference between forward and aft drop. Next, the definition of LCB, longitudinal center of buoyancy. The fore aft position where the buoyant force acts, measured from the midship. If LCB is forward of midship, ship tends to trim by the head. If aft, trim by the stern. Next, the definition of LCF, longitudinal center of flotation. The pivot point where the ship trims, also measured from midship. This is the point where trimming moment acts.